Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make a really delicious treat that would be great on a hot summer day, and it can be used as a dessert or as a snack or a foundation for a delicious smoothie. I have a very small blender here that I'm going to be using, and in this blender I have 1/3 cup of canned coconut milk. This is unsweetened real coconut milk with just coconut and water, and I think there's gar gum in there, but no other additives in there. So that's what we're using, the full fat version, unsweetened. Now if you want to add sweetener to this, you can be my guest to do that. I don't think it needs it. And then to that I'm adding 1/3 cup of orange juice. And then we're going to add some frozen fruit, and I have what's equivalent to like 6 chunks of frozen mango, and if I were to put this in a 1/2 cup measuring cup, it would just about fill it. Now these are frozen, so if they were thawed out and mashed down, it would be less than a 1/2 cup. This is not like we're making a cake or something. It doesn't have to be exact. So I want roughly the same amount of these two fruits, and I've got frozen mango that I bought frozen, and I have frozen papaya chunks that I bought fresh and then cut it up and froze it myself. If you don't want to use papaya, can't get a hold of papaya, don't like papaya, I can tell you that you're not going to really taste the strong papaya, but it adds really a good flavor blend to this. You can use all mango if you want. So if you go for that route, you want to use the double portion of mango, but I like 1/2 frozen mango and 1/2 frozen papaya chunks, and they're frozen. And so now I'm going to blend this up real quick and show you what it looks like. That's all there is to it. Here's our blended treat, and you can see this makes quite a bit. That's really a very hefty serving for one person, or you could break it up and have 2 more modest servings and share it with a friend. And I would suggest that you eat it right away, especially if it's really hot, and then it'll be nice and refreshing and it won't be all melted. But I can say it's still good even when it's melted. Give this a try sometime and let me have some feedback below. The recipe is below and on my blog. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.